Welcome to back my channel Coins Value, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of numismatic. So let's get started video. The 2003 United States coin series holds a special place for collectors, offering a variety of designs that capture the history and artistry of American coinage. Design: the obverse features a portrait of Thomas Jefferson, and the reverse shows his Monticello home. In 2003, the United States Mint released the 2003 Jefferson nickel. The nickel features the portrait of President Thomas Jefferson on the obverse and Monticello, Jefferson's historic home. On the reverse, this coin was part of the ongoing series of Jefferson nickels that have been in circulation since 1938. The 2003 Jefferson nickel has a composition of 75% copper and 0.25% nickel and is valued at 5 cents. 5 cents indicates the coin's value position below Monticello, United States of America, surrounds the bottom of the coin. The letter D indicates this coin. Was minted at the Denver Mint. 2003, the year of minting. Located next to Jefferson's portrait. The 2003 Jefferson nickel is part of the classic series featuring President Thomas Jefferson on the obverse and Monticello on the reverse. These coins are common, but mint errors or high-grade examples can still carry value. 2003 proof sets: these were specially packaged sets of coins struck with a high-quality finish. This set contained 90% silver versions of the dime, quarter, and half dollar. These coins are relatively common, though the proof and silver proof coins are more valuable to collectors. The state quarters from 2003 are especially popular due to their role in the .50 state quarters program. The US 5-cent coin, commonly known as the nickel, has been an essential part of American currency since the late 19th century. It's known for its distinct size and composition. Worth 5 cents, the nickel is one of the most circulated coins in the U.S. While most nickels are worth their face value, certain older or rare varieties like war nickels and early Liberty or Buffalo nickels can fetch higher prices depending on their condition and rarity. The nickel remains a crucial part of U.S. coinage, and its historical and rare variations make it an exciting coin for collectors and history enthusiasts alike. Face value: the nickel has a face value of 5 cents. Please subscribe my channel